Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro and you need to do a hard reset on it, but the screen lock is on and you don't have the PIN. We can actually bypass that and delete the PIN off of the phone. Now this is going to wipe everything else off the phone, but if you're okay doing that, we can go ahead and get started. It's quite easy to do. You just need to have your phone turned off, and then you're going to turn it on by holding the power and volume up buttons simultaneously. Once it turns on, you can let go, and you'll see that it gives you a fast boot mode with a screen with a couple of options. And you're going to toggle through right in the middle of the screen here to recovery mode. You'll toggle down to recovery mode and hit the power button to select it. At that point, it will give you it will go into a no command screen. Once it goes into, it will say no command on it. Once it says no command on it, you'll again hit the power button and volume up one time, and it will take you to this recovery screen. From here, we can use the volume buttons to toggle down to wipe data, factory reset, and hit the power button to select. Then we can use the volume button to toggle down to factory data reset and hit the power button to confirm, understanding that as soon as I hit the power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off of the phone. Once that happens, you can reboot the system and the phone will turn off and turn back on like it was the day it came out of the box.